Imagine a world where our devices communicate seamlessly, collecting invaluable data about our environment. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of IoT sensors and mesh networks, exploring how they're revolutionizing environmental monitoring. Ready to unlock the secrets of smart technology? Let's go! IoT sensors are tiny yet powerful devices that gather and transmit data about various environmental conditions. They monitor temperature, humidity, air quality, and more, providing insights that were unimaginable just a decade ago. But how do they communicate with one another? This is where mesh networks come into play. A mesh network is a decentralized communication system where each device acts as a node, relaying information to others in the network. This structure enhances reliability and coverage, allowing data to travel over extended distances without losing quality. Think of it as a spider web, strong and interconnected. Did you know that mesh networks can continue to function even if one node fails? This resilience makes them ideal for environments where conditions are unpredictable, like natural disaster zones or remote areas. How incredible is that? Now let's see how these technologies collaborate in real-world applications. In agriculture, IoT sensors track soil moisture and weather patterns, helping farmers optimize water usage and improve crop yields. This not only boosts productivity but also promotes sustainable practices. The result? Less waste and healthier ecosystems. Cities are also leveraging these technologies for air quality monitoring. Using a network of IoT sensors, officials can identify pollution hotspots and deploy resources effectively. Imagine breathing cleaner air because of data-driven decisions. Now, let's take a quick break. If you're enjoying the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge technology insights. Your support helps us create more engaging content. Now back to our discussion. Telemetry systems are the backbone of these applications, allowing real-time data transmission and analysis. By using sophisticated algorithms, these systems can predict trends and provide actionable insights for decision-makers. Imagine making informed choices based on the latest environmental data. As we look to the future, the potential applications of IoT sensors and mesh networks are practically limitless. From monitoring wildlife to enhancing disaster response capabilities, the impact on our world could be profound. Can you imagine a future where every device works in harmony to protect our planet? In conclusion, IoT sensors and mesh networks are not just novelties, they are vital tools shaping our environment and improving our lives. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the latest advancements in smart home technologies. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss it.